NFT na non-fungible token, but we get guests we say stand back gidigba for the world of NFT, and now man we say understand a lot for the crypto space. Now blockchain enthusiast, and now man we say now one of the founders of Blockchain Nigeria user group, and you understand things we say you need to understand about NFT. Mr. Chimeze Chuta, you're very much welcome, sir.
Thank you so much, Frank.
Yeah, we're glad to have you.
Yes, so.
Okay, so basically, what thing they happen for the world of NFTs? A lot of people they ask, say, what thing exactly be NFT? Now, the world done the tilt towards, they go towards NFT now, asset class for the crypto space. Apart from say you buy coins, some people they look and say, okay, Bitcoin rise, it fall today, I go buy, make it rise later. Ethereum fall today, I go buy, make it rise later. But right now, what thing they happen? What thing be NFTs now, asset class, or just explain that for my guys in layman terms.
NFT is one of those type of blockchain asset where they come out now.
Okay.
It's also like DeFi, you know, decentralized finance. Okay. Only that this one now, now unique type of asset where you know fit divide or doubt the person where get out.
Okay.
You know, say for the world today, when person sing music or paint some artwork or do anything where they unique.
Yeah.
Person fit copy them. You go Alabama, you go see people music, then they scatter them for there. You know, person where do the original one no go get anything. And that's a big problem. It's not only for Nigeria, everywhere in the world.
Yeah.
You know, one better painting like that where the words have been, they call them Mona Lisa.
Very true.
You know, everybody knows saying a better painting be that. But the duplicate full everywhere. Sometimes people say they buy the duplicate thing saying at the original. And the person will paint them and the family, even though the person don't die, Leonardo da Vinci, even though he don't die Tete, but their family and the trust where he live, they never get anything from any time where they resell those paintings.
Yeah.
Okay, but technology, they help us to solve problem. And I saw NFT come to help people where they create something from their own mind or from their own heart, you know, make them, they create them and make them, they get something. Not be the one where you go studio, you go sing finish, producer, go tell you, say, in sell 300, meanwhile, you don't sell 3,000. You know, go no, not the way you go prove. So one thing NFT go do for you, be say, it go give you what they call provable ownership. So blockchain go track that whole thing where you create. You know, first of all, you go where they call NFT marketplace.
Okay.
Okay. Example na OpenSea.
Okay.
When you go there, you go just create them. Blockchain go help you to create your own identity to show now you get them.
Okay.
Okay. And if you create if now one, then it could be that one only we go day for the world. If not 10 of it where you create by yourself, not only that 10 we go day. And that 10, all of them, the blockchain go help you, they track them. Okay, so it go help people where they create art. Maybe you're a musician, you are a writer, you are an artist where they make a painting, or just anything where they do way the way they take use your mind, they produce something as an artist.
Okay.
It will help you to create that thing. And anytime that thing they move hand from you to another person, or the person will collect them from you originally to another person, you got to get something.
Okay. My people want to understand waiting exactly be NFT. Now you don't explain them, but people they reason say it's an acronym or not just one word, or I don't know if you get my point.
You know, say would they try speak out for English.
Exactly.
If you want to come properly for English, non-fungible token.
Okay.
That is token where you know fit exchange for another.
Okay.
So other type of crypto, maybe now, let's say something like Bitcoin. Now, if you change your Bitcoin to Ethereum, or change your Ethereum to Polkadot, or change it to ADA or Solana.
Okay.
But this NFT, no fit change them to any other thing. It could just be exactly.
So if we relate them to trademark, like say, not trademark, and nobody feel infringe on that trademark. If my artwork, nobody feel get access to them except I give them the authorization, and the person will get that singular artwork we did for the blockchain.
Yeah, it resembles trademark.
Okay.
But it's more than trademark.
Very true.
Because whereas trademark goes secure your the idea, okay, this NFT is that work itself. It don't create and finish. Do you understand? So it carry both the trademark and the right of ownership, you know, provable. Because people need to understand that thing, you know, provable ownership.
is the major thing that makes it very, very unique. Let's say that land now.
Yeah.
Let's say you sell your land as an NFT. Now, you need that proof. Because person fit sell land and somebody go come talk say, the land where you sell no be your own. Because you no get where or how you go fit prove to certify everybody that now you get that land. If you go land registry now, you go no say that when they call land grabbing, you know. If you get land, the document where they are not going to be your name where they inside. Because if you change them like that, you know. But in this world of blockchain, it help you to give 100% ownership right to the person who created them.
Okay, so now artists video now they watch even a songwriter or person maybe say they in the creative space they watch. I want to turn this my album to NFT, or I want to turn this my artwork to NFT. Recently, we discovered say one American rapper to Relanes. He released an album 2 weeks ago, and as he released an album in just 1 minute, he don't sell 1 million copy of that NFT. You get, he just use and test the market. The market sell finish for crypto for the world of crypto. Now that artist where they listen. Waiting be the step by step procedure where we say if it take to make sure say in artwork or in creative content you want position them as NFT for the blockchain. Waiting be the step.
Okay. The first thing now we say you go move that work where you don't create.
Okay.
Turn them into digital.
Okay.
When you turn them into digital, you go to where they call marketplace, NFT marketplace, where they're online. Typically now a website where they make interaction with a blockchain layer. Like OpenSea.
Okay.
Now OpenSea is a marketplace where anybody from anywhere in the world, if you just go there, create your own NFT. So that process of creating it, what it means is that you go, when you reach there, you go use your wallet will be your own unique ID. Use and take sign into that platform. Then now bring that your artwork, come put there. Come give them in character. Say everything where that artwork go represent you. Everything, you know.
Just like the manual.
You go just put everything inside and bam. Once you put them, then you go use your private key. Take sign them. Once you sign them, bam, enter blockchain. Now, you get as you go create your artwork as an artist, then you go make and such that no only one person feed buy them.
Okay.
And that one now unique ownership. You understand? Individual ownership. But you can also make them so that people fit gather together, put their money together, buy that single one.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
That one fractional NFT. You understand? In other words, there are so many people put hand together to get them. Now, if so many people put hand to buy them, it means they like all this what they do sometimes we contribute money to do something, we contribute money, take buy car, give this person, next month we'll contribute, give this person. So now, listen very well. NFT, it go give you power to determine how much we go resell that one where you don't buy. Because they get what they call primary market and secondary market.
Yeah.
Primary market now the one where the person will create, put in price, people buy. Let's say this calabash where they here now. I carry and go primary market because now me put them. I say, oh yeah, you go buy this thing, 1 million naira. You say, okay, I go buy, you buy them. As you don't buy them, the internet for blockchain don't capture me giving the thing to you.
Okay.
So you na the new owner. Me, I no get them again. But for inside this thing now, you don't put any time where you sell it to anybody, 10% go come to me.
Okay.
Do you understand? And now the condition where you go take carry and go. Now, when you carry and go now, you go another place where people they sell special, unique item. You put them there for sale, and you can't they sell at 10 million. Because me, we create them. I don't they create other things too. Don't they popular? So my value don't go high.
Very true.
Do you understand?
Very
As
true.
my value don't go high, anything what I create before also go they follow my value, they go high. Do you understand? So the price don't go up. So if you sell them again now for another place where you now decide to sell them for 10 million, me, I go get my 10%. I don't go even know where you do. But the 10% go just waka, go my wallet address, go sit down. So I go just get notification, say, I don't get another 1 million from one NFT where franc buy from me.
Yeah,
You understand me?
very true.
Then another thing now be say, you will carry that NFT from me now because you don't get value. If you carry and go to a DeFi platform where then they borrow money, then go look and check the value. You know, you go tell them I know one sell, but I want to use them as collateral. So no one hold on for me.
Okay.
Then give me $500 or $1,000. Any amount you want to. As far as that NFT worth and pass, they go give you. So when you get money, you pay back, you carry your NFT again. So that thing go bring some type of revolution for Africa. And young people where they in Nigeria now, you know they need to understand this thing very well. So that they know that at least for the first time in this world, God don't give Africans opportunity to they create something, whether not dance you sabi dance, or sing you sabi sing, or even local gong where you sabi beat where. You can put on for NFT now.
Wow.
And you're going to help you to make money because the market now global,
market.
now very big market. And because now global market, anybody anywhere fits say, this thing get value. You go say, I go buy him for so and so amount. Then person go look you know, this man will get Twitter.
Yeah, Jack Dorsey, he's selling tweets.
He's selling tweet. The first tweet where he sent for tweet, this thing where they tweet he only selling for $2.1 million.
Thank you very much. You don't talk on for there. I say you don't hear him as my guest, Ogbonge man, Mr. Chimezi Chuta. He don't come out explain what you need to understand about NFTs, non-fungible token. And he don't talk and say, oh boy, say the revolution go happen for the creative space because a lot of musicians, a lot of artists go they liberated financially. If they key into this asset class and make sure say, okay, they reason NFTs as a way to liberate themselves and an asset class for the crypto space. But then, you know, so we know if you sit down here, talk everything in just 15 minutes. Time no day our side. But the Good Morning Naija show still there here because only Sunday day here and Precious also day here to take us on the Good Morning Naija show cruise. If you follow me across all social media platforms at Fabofram, we'll continue the conversation on top of your money, your business, and the economy. No go anywhere. Cheers.